Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math for You, which is an educational channel where you can learn the activities and different ways of understanding maths easily. So let's get started with today's topic. Today I will be discussing with you about types of lines, and the first line which I will be discussing is intersecting lines. Now what are intersecting lines? When two lines or more than two lines meet at a point, they are called intersecting lines. Now if you see the example here, these are two lines and they are meeting at a point. Similarly, this is letter Y, the English alphabet Y. But if you see here, these lines are meeting at this point, which I have marked it through the magnet. So they are meeting at a point, so they are called intersecting lines. Same way, the letter N I have taken from the alphabet. Now this N, these two lines, they are meeting at this point, and these two lines are meeting at these points. So the easy way to remember, meeting lines are called intersecting lines. Now the activity which you can use to show intersecting lines are either you can have sticks, you can have pencils in your hand, or you can simply just use your hands. Now I have these two sticks. I will make them meet at a point. Now they are meeting at this point. So this is an example of intersecting lines, and it is showing you the letter X. Yes. So if you do like this, if you make them meet like this, if you make them meet like this, these are all examples of intersecting lines. Same way you can use your hands like this, like this, like your letter A, V, your letter L, your letter T, E. So all of them are intersecting lines. Now coming next, parallel lines. Now you have seen railway tracks, metro tracks, you have seen a ladder. So the opposite sides of rectangle, square, they never meet. So the lines which do not meet and they have a constant gap between them. If you see, the gap is same. Constant means same. So they have same gap. If you measure it using the ruler from here to here, it has same gap, same distance. So the lines which have same distance and they do not meet, and in the future also they will not meet, are called parallel lines. Now how can you show parallel lines using your hands? Like this, you can do some PE exercise also. Like this, you can show parallel lines. Like this, you can show parallel lines. This is an example of parallel lines, and this too is an example of parallel lines. Now what are perpendicular lines? Now perpendicular lines are also intersecting lines, meeting lines, but they are meeting in a very interesting way. When they meet, they form the square corner like this. If you see here, also, when they are meeting, they are forming the square corner. And E, T, F are few examples from the English alphabets that clearly shows you the example of perpendicular lines. So by using your hands, how can you show perpendicular lines? Remember right angle? So this is the right angle and this is the perfect example for your perpendicular lines. So quickly we will revise intersecting lines, then your parallel lines, then perpendicular lines, letter T. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. I'll see you again.